Well, good morning. Welcome back to the job site. This morning, we're just removing that sign and that one there as well. They look nasty. They look very old. I have a strong suspicion that they're still neon, although they could have been converted. But yeah, just looking at these signs, they're gross. It's time to get them off the wall. You can see they're just deteriorating as we speak. Got a code to get in that door to a lockbox. Get the power shut off. So let's get busy. Okay. See what kind of a mess we're going to get into this morning. Probably about as old as I am. No, they're not that old. They do look rather gross and just deteriorating. I could probably just rip these faces off. Okay, the big reveal. What do we have behind door number 1? Oh, it's LED. Wow. Stinks. Yep, they used to be neon. That's for sure. So, how I can tell this used to be neon is obvious. 2 massive penetration holes. And that's where the neon wiring came through. You can even see where the tube supports used to be. Right there. Just broke them off. That's what I would have done. Don't you want to be a sign guy too? And get to work on beautiful installations like this. Alright, well, that's that. I'm just going to pop all these covers off and unscrew the letters and make a big pile of trash to throw in the dump. Okay, let's chunk some letters. One. So that's one of them. Just shove these back in and then try and seal these holes as best as I can. I have a trick for that, I'll show you. So I gotta do that for the rest of those letters. Turn you back over to the time lapse because that's basically all I'm gonna do. Nothing to explain any more than I already have. Well, that was gross. And I'm sure you saw. You can still tell what was here. Yeah. The sign's off the wall, but their name remains. Happens a lot. So, I'll go grab some silicone and something to shove in that hole, probably like paper towels. I'll show you a little trick to where you don't have to use like half a tube of silicone just to seal one hole. So, be right back. Alright. Got a whole bunch of silicone, some paper towels. Try and clean this off a little bit, because ain't nothing gonna stick to that. So the idea here, just so you don't have to like fill that entire void with silicone to seal it, just take a little chunk of paper towel, shove it in the hole, and that just gives you something to back your silicone to, so you don't have to fill it all the way. One trick I learned when I was an apprentice. I mean, you still do use a lot of silicone. So not as much So that's basically my trick there. I know, pretty cool. I'm gonna do that for the rest of it and then take that other sign down. So I might just leave you here. I think I'll do just a full time lapse to the other side just from start to finish, because why not? That's really all I gotta say about these. So enjoy that time lapse and we'll see you in the next one.